Good morning, class. So today we're looking at Bodmas Book B Worksheet 2, correct? I didn't cut it. Okay. Okay, sorry about that delay. So we're looking at Bodmas Book B Worksheet 2. The odd numbers. Okay. Let's look at the first one. We are told. Okay. Number 1. So we got division and subtraction. What must be done first? Division. So 10 divided by 3 can be written as 10 over 3 minus 2 over 3. What's your LCM? 3. Okay. So 10 minus 2 is? So the answer is 8 over 3. Or could also be written as 2 and 2/3. You all okay with that? You look at number 3. So we have 2 and 1/3 minus 4 divided by 9. So what must be done first? Change it to improper fraction. So it's going to give you 7 over 3 minus. Now 4 over 9 can be 4 divided by 9 can be written as 4 over 9. Not so. Right. So what's your LCM here? 9. So 3 multiplied by what is 9? 3. Multiply numerator also by 3. 9 multiplied by what is 9? 1. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 minus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 21 minus 4? 17 over. Could also be written as 1 and 8 over 9. You all okay with that? Now moving to fast. No, okay. Number 5, we've got subtraction and multiplication. What must be done first here? Multiplication. So that's naturally over 1, not so. So it's 2 minus. Anything can cancel here? No? 2 and 3? No. So 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 over 2. What's your LCM here? 2. We must multiply this by 2. So multiply by 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 minus 3. What's 4 minus 3? Is 1. Okay. Any confusion there? No confusion? Let's go to number 7. So what needs to be done first? Change the you do multiplication, but you will first change that to improper fractions. The 6 minus 2 over 1 multiplied by 7 over 4. You all agree with that? So anything can cancel here? Yes. So 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 4. Anything else cancel? No. So 6 over 1 minus 1 multiplied by 7 is over 2 multiplied by 1 is okay. So what's your LCM now? 2. So 1 multiplied by what is 2? 2. 2 multiplied by what is 2? 1. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 minus 7 times 1 is? What's 12 minus 7? 5 over or 2 and all. Okay. Look at number 9. What must be done first here? Division. So it will be 4 plus. Change this to multiplication, tumble and tumble. So it's 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 3. Again, division must be sorted out. Oh, sorry, multiplication now. Anything you cancel here? No. There? No. So that's simply going to be 4 over 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 over 9. So what's your LCM here? 9. So 1 multiplied by what is 9? 9. 9 multiplied by what is 9? 4 multiplied by 9 is 36 plus 4. What's 36 plus 4? 40 over 9. Which could also be written as 4 and 6 over 4 and 4 ninths. Yes, Michael?
So I got 61 on
61. Okay, what did you write? Yes?
I actually have a question. I've got the answer right, but I signed the thing. So, can I say?
Yes?
Okay. So, you see what it says, when you want, you've got the answer to the division sum. You have to add 4 to that, right? So,
Yeah?
I didn't do it certainly. I converted it as another step. I said 36 over 9 plus that. If you divide 36 over 9, 4. Or I like to do
What you did was you said 36 over 9 plus 4 over 9. Is that what you did?
yes.
Now that and that is the same.
Is that
Because the denominators are the same, I just wrote it as 1. Can you do this way? Yes.
I didn't like show how I got to that answer. It says it's 4 times 9.
You didn't write this part in.
No.
It's fine. Because in your exam, you're not going to be able to use a calculator. So, if you got 36 over 9, we know you know what you are doing. Okay. Yes, Michael.
So I also did something different. So
What did you do?
I didn't times by 9. I times 4 over 1 by 3 and then 12 over 3 plus 4 over 3.
Okay, read for me your line you got there.
So
After this, what did you write?
so then I wrote 4 plus 1 over
4
3
plus
times
1 over.
4
3.
over 3.
Yes?
And then 4 over 1 plus 4 over 3. And then
But here you are already making a mistake. Because a 3 times 3 is not 3, it's 9.
oh yeah.
So it's a mistake. Okay, anybody else want to share their life story with us? Huh? This girl here? The blue sweater, yes?
Yes, sir.
You started all of this, you didn't ask your question.
Oh, so I saw the sum wrong. I thought the division was a plus.
Oh, okay. Anybody else? No? Number 11. So what do we do first? Change to mixed fraction, and this we can tumble in times, not so? So it's going to be 5 plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 1. Is there anything that can simplify there? No, remember we're doing multiplication now. So it's 5 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. What is your LCM here? 2. So I'll multiply this by 2. This will multiply by 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 9 is 9. So it's 19 over 2. Or 9.5. Okay. See that girl? It is going on the desk the whole time. Am I moving too slow for you, Michael? No. Why are you head on the desk? I can move a bit faster if you like. Alright. People, doesn't that should be over 1, not so. We're going to do multiplication first. Is there anything to cancel there? No. Yeah? No. So it's 5 over 1 minus 3 times 3 is 9 over 5. What's your LCM here? 5. So this must be multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 1. What's 5 multiplied by 5? 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9? 16 over 5. Or 3 and a 50. These questions can be found in the in the description box below. Okay. Number 15. You got 4 minus 1 and 2/3 multiplied by 2 and 1/5. What do you need to do first? Change to improper fractions. There's going to be 4 minus. There's going to be 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. Multiplied by 11 over 5. So what needs to be done first? The multiplication. So it's 4 minus. Is there anything you can cancel here? Yes. 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 5 once. Anything you can cancel here? No. 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. 3 multiplied by 1 is? So this is naturally over 1. So I must multiply this by 1 multiplied by what is 3? 3. 3 multiplied by what is 3?
1.
Not 11 but 1. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 minus 11. What's 12 minus 11?
1.
1 over 3. Okay. So any confusion there? You were shouting like it? Come sit here in front, Michael. I think there's something wrong with you. This will be your seat now. Ne? Let me look for you tomorrow. Okay? I can take everything, but I don't like it. You must take me for a fool. Okay? People, the next one we got 2 over 5 minus a half multiplied by a fifth. Okay. So what needs to be done first? Multiplication. See anything you cancel here? No? Yeah? So it's 2 over 5 minus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 5 multiplied by 2 is? So what is your LCM here? 10. So 5 multiplied by what is 10? 2. 10 multiplied by what is 10? So what is 2 multiplied by 2? 4. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 is? 1. What's 4 minus 1? 0. Okay, so that's number 17. Let's carry on to number 19. What needs to be done first? Multiplication. So it's going to be a third plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 5 is? So between 3 and 10, what's your LCM? 30. How do we get 30? We look at the biggest denominator, which is 10. Can 3 go into 10? No, so now we count in multiples of 10. The next multiple of 10 is 20. Can 3 go into 20? 30. Can 3 go into 30? Yes, that's what makes 30 the LCM. So 3 multiplied by what is 30? 10 multiplied by what is 30?
3.
So 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 plus 3. What's 10 plus 3? 13 over. Okay. Number 21. So we have 2 and a fifth minus 2/3 multiplied by 3/5. So first we're going to change that to improper fraction. So it's going to be 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5. Minus. Is there anything you can cancel here? Yes. 3 going to 3 ones. 3 going to 3 ones. And there? No. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 over. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Denominators are the same, not so? You can subtract the numerator. So 11 minus 2 is 9 over 5. Or 1 and 4 fifths. It's a fairly simple one. Number 23. We're going to change to improper fraction first. So it's going to be 1 over 6 plus, that's 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4 multiplied by 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. So what must be done first? Multiplication. Is there anything you can cancel here? Yes. 4 going to 4 ones, 4 going to 4 ones. Anything you can cancel here? No. Okay? So that's simply going to be 1 over 6 plus 11 times 1. It's 11 over 1 times 3 is. So what's your LCM now? 6. So we'll multiply this by 1. 3 multiplied by what is 6? 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 11 times 2 is 22. 22 plus 6 is? Sorry, 22 plus 1 is? 23 over 6. Which is also 3 and 5 over 6. Okay. And 25. Again, change to improper fractions first. So as you can see, the sums are getting a bit bigger. Not so? So 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25 over 6 minus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 over 3 must be divided by 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5. My girl, why aren't you marking your work? Did you do your homework?
Yes, sir, but I can't find the page that you did on.
Please find it before the end of this lesson, otherwise you're going to stay here during break, okay? So we're going to change this to multiplication, tumble and times. So it's going to be 25 over 6 minus 11 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 11. Is there anything you can cancel here? Remember, we need to do multiplication first. Anything you cancel here?
Yes.
11 goes into 11 once, 11 going to 11. Anything you cancel here? No. So it's 25 over 6 minus 5 over 3. What's your LCM here? 6. So 6 must be multiplied by 1. 3 by 2. 25 times 1 is 25 minus 10. Yes? 25 minus 10 is 15 over 6. Well, what do we notice here? 3 can go into both, not so? So 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 going to 15, 5 times. So the answer is 5 over 2, or 2 and a half. Who got that answer? Okay, not everybody's going to get the full marks for maths, no? Right, the next one, 27. What needs to be done first? Again, multiplication. So that's naturally over 1. Is there anything you can cancel here? 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 into 4 twice. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 over 3 minus a third. What's the LCM there? 3. So 2 minus 1 is a third. So 2 minus 1 is 1 over 3. Which is of course a third. And the last one, what needs to be done first? Improper fraction. So 5 multiplied by 1 is? Plus 1 is? 6. So 6 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 1 minus 2 fifths. Again, what do we have to do first? Multiplication. Is there anything you can cancel here? No. There? 6 multiplied by 3 is? 18 over 5 minus 2 over 3. What do you notice here? So already the same. So 18 minus 2 is 16 over 5. Or 3 and okay. Any confusion at this point? Yes.
I have a question.
Question with number?
Well, it's the same like question, but it's number 3 and 25.
Okay, let's go to 25. So what's the problem here?
No, I just wanted to ask if our method is different.
And you got the same answer.
Is it fine?
It's fine. So as long as you're not doing something that's non-mathematical.
Are you allowed to add brackets?
You can, but it's going to be better for you not to.
No, like not to the original sum. Like when you do your sum, are you allowed to add brackets to that?
It's like I say, it's fine if you're adding it at the right place. But many times learners insert brackets at the wrong place. You understand? That is why you'll see me, what I'm doing is, I would underline the step I'm doing. Instead of putting a bracket around the step. Instead of putting that bracket there, that's what you would have done. Instead of doing that, I rather underline to show, okay, that's the step I'm.
I didn't do the bracket like that.
Okay, so what did you write, Michael?
Okay. So my first step was 4 over 6
Yes?
minus
4 over 6.
Sorry, 4 and 1 is 6
Yeah?
over yeah, minus 11 over 3
Yeah?
divided by 11 first. And then my second step was 4 and 1 6 minus 1 and a third times
1 and a third.
yes, so that's something divided by
1 and a third, is that what you said?
no, so 1 third.
A third. A third, yes?
Um,
So how do you get a third?
because I wrote it out like I would and then I cross cancel.
So you change that to multiplication.
Yes, sir, but I was like I swapped the numbers and then
Okay? So you swapped it around, so you got that.
and then I
Did you cancel that?
so yes, sir, it's 1.
Yeah?
And then my third step was 4 and 1 6 minus 1 third times 5 over 1.
1.
5 over 1.
5 over 1.
And then I said 4 and 1.
Now where's the 3? You're making yourself confused. So do you have a third multiplied by 5 over 1?
Yes, sir.
But here you then already have a third multiplied by 5 over 1. So your sum is much longer. Okay? So you got the third multiplied. Because I need to see what you're talking about, because I don't know what you're talking about. Carry on.
And then I said 4 and 1 over 6 minus 5 over 3.
Yes.
And then I said 4 and 1 over 6 minus 1 and 4 6. And then I said open bracket 3 over 6.
1 and?
1 and 4 over 6.
So first that you converted to 1 and 2/3. That's the first step you have to do. Okay?
Oh yes.
Then you got 1, yes, minus 1 and
4 over 6.
4 over 6, yes.
And then I said open bracket 3 plus 3 and 1 over 6 plus 6 over 6.
3,
And 1 over 6
Yeah.
plus 6 over 6. And then I said close bracket minus 1 and 4 over 6. And then I said 3 and 7 over 6 minus 1 and 4 over 6.
3 and 7 over 6, yeah?
Minus 1 and 4 over 6.
Yeah.
And then I got 2 and 3 is 6 and the last one we got 2 and a half.
If that works for you, yes, then it's fine. Okay. Anybody else with a life story? Okay. People for homework, I would like you guys to do book B, worksheet 3. Which your homework, Michael? Yeah, you're saying it during break, okay?
So the odd numbers go open.
The odd numbers.